Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class. Friends, today we are going to do very interesting exercise on page number 31. Fill in the blanks with his and her. So students, मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ, he is used for masculine, male and her used for feminine, female. So first picture में देखिए आपको dash father is a doctor. So we use his because he is a boy. It is dash balloon. Balloon आप देख रहे हैं सेकंड पिक्चर में गर्ल के हैंड में है. So we use her because her use for female, feminine. So we say it is her balloon. थर्ड पिक्चर में देखिए बच्चा आपको फुटबॉल खेलते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है. सो फुटबॉल इस बच्चे का है और ये एक बॉय है. सो वी यूज हिज. दिस इज हिज बॉल. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर नंबर 4. डैश बैग इज स्मॉल. बैग आप देख रहे हैं पिक्चर में एक बॉय अपने शोल्डर्स पर पहना हुआ है. सो we use his because he is boy and we use his bag is small. Next picture में bag एक गर्ल ने पहना हुआ है. So we use her. This is her bag. Dash mother is a teacher. Her mother is a teacher because teacher is a feminine. So we use her. Dash car is white. He is a male. So we use his. His car is white. Dash name is Hina. क्या आएगा students? Her. Because she is a girl. She is feminine. So we use her. Her name is Hina. Ali combs dash hair. Ali is a boy and boy is male. So we use his. Ali combs his hair. सो स्टूडेंट्स आज की हमारी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होती है. यू आर ऑल डू वेरी गुड. सी यू नेक्स्ट.